Mum into a ride on Python. Let's give it a go. This will be her first ever inverting roller coaster. And I think a good introduction because it's otherwise fairly smooth and gentle. Okay people, you join us for this absolute hero's first ride on an inverting roller coaster. She's such a hero. Give her a round of applause. Okay, that's it. I'll hold your hand. Okay. Oh. Pull it down over your head. Keep going, keep going, keep going. All right, give me your hand. Woo!
I can't believe I'm doing it.
I absolutely can. So we're going to go down in about 4 years. So.
I didn't tell Dave we were on the way.
No. Well done, Mother. Huge congrats. Look at this hero. Oh my God. Did you love that, Mother?
Not entirely.
Not entirely? Oh! Back to you.
Yeah,
So,
a bit dizzy.
a bit dizzy?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a shame. I thought you might have liked that. That's quite...
As you say, it didn't last very long. But I've done it. So I'm 70. If I don't soon do it, I'll never do it.
Exactly, there we go.
It's going to be my year of doing things.
Yeah! Yes! Maybe the ride to happiness as well.
No.
Oh. Oh dear, I don't think my mum enjoyed Python. Oh, I really thought she might. Never mind. It's clearly not her bag, and it's not my son's bag either. So Efteling is the perfect theme park for all of us because the plethora of dark rides that were still enjoyable for people who don't enjoy roller coasters. So, are you having a good day, Grandma?
I'm having a fantastic day, thank you.
What was your favourite part of your day going on an inverting roller coaster?
Yeah, yes, it was actually. To say I've done it.